Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some mini hot dogs and breadsticks. So let's get toasting. I have a package of these Miller's beef mini hot dogs here. I didn't know Miller's made these. I buy their regular hot dogs all the time. They're my favorite, but I'd never seen these before. So I grabbed a package of them. And I have some these brown and serve breadsticks here that I bought at the grocery outlet. These are about $3 and you get 8 of them in a package. So what I'm going to do is just cut them in half like that, and then just cut them again. So I'll cut them into quarters, and then just cut them probably about 3/4 of the way through like that, and then just take one of these little dogs here and just put it right inside there like that. So I'm just going to do, I guess I'll do maybe about 8 of them. I'll do like 2 breadsticks and just cook those in my toaster oven. I'm using my 10-inch cast iron skillet for this, but you can also use your baking tray. Now let's get this into the toaster oven. I have my oven rack in the center. It says to cook these breadsticks in a 450-degree oven for 4 or 5 minutes, but I'm going to use the air fry setting on this oven. It has an air fry setting, which is 425 degrees Fahrenheit, so that should be close enough. Alright, it's been about 5.5 minutes. Let's take a look here. I think those are probably done. That worked out pretty good. You grab one of these, put a little bit of mustard on it. If there's any, if it'll come out of the thing here. There we go. Let's try it out. That came out good. These breadsticks work good for this. I'll give you anyone to see what happens. She seems excited. Oh, she cheated. She took off with it. Now it's going to take her a while to eat that. She's eating the bread first. Now she's going for the wiener. That was kind of a meal for her. These breadsticks worked out pretty good for that. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.